Anyway, the next award this evening is for director in a soap, continuing drama and comedy. Now, an actress once asked Alfred Hitchcock what was her best side for the camera, and he said, "My dear, you're sitting on it." Fortunately, directors nowadays are much kinder. Here are the nominees.
Fair City, Red Rock, The Savage Eye, Moon Boy,
I'm much more organised than Jedward. The IFTA goes to Lisa Mulcahy of Red Rock.
I was in the hotel before I came out tonight with my husband, and I said to him, "Do you think I should prepare a speech?" And he said to me, "I know it's love," but he said, "You're not going to win." So I didn't. So thank you so much. I just want to say that Red Rock has just been an incredible experience for me. I want to thank Ed Guiney and John York and Paula Heffernan, who are the producers, and especially Peter, who created it. But most of all, I want to thank all the cast and crew who really are incredible. You know who you are. And lastly, today is my wedding anniversary, so thank you, Michael, for coming with me tonight and for being my husband. And next year, you can choose what we do. Thank you very much.